Analyst, the active investor, bringing you a 6-day, 30-minute time frame chart on UPL, Ultra Petroleum Corporation. It's an independent oil and gas company that engages in the acquisition, exploration, and production of oil and natural gas properties. Now, I'd like to take a look at these last few days because my overall sentiment on UPL is going to be a bit more bullish now. I'd like to tell you why. Let's take a look at the chart. So right away, the first thing I'd like to take a look at is these purple lines. I'm referring to this line and this line. These are my major pivot points, which could be support or resistance depending on where the price per share is. So let's take a look there. You can see this point at 72 cents is a bit out of reach, so we're not really going to be looking at that one. But this point we did play along, and that's the 55-cent pivot point. Now, right towards the last trading day, that was on Thursday, since we have a holiday, early weekend going on, the price per share began to push up into the cloud. That's a very bullish sign. You can see along here when we had this huge red candle, we broke back from inside the cloud channel under it, and from there on the price couldn't really break. It was under, it tried to break here but ended up getting denied and falling pretty far. And then over here we did go into the cloud. This candle was pretty strong and it pushed up almost kind of to the top, but this red candle, the bears swiping it right back down. Over here we pushed into the cloud a little bit, but once again denied, kept this downtrend up. But on Thursday, yesterday, we did have some wicks going into the cloud there. So that's bullish to me, especially when the price was around 47 cents and it closed at about 53.5. Very nice increase there. Now, a few other indicators I'd like to take a look at. You guys know I'm a big fan of the parabolic SAR. Those are these white dots that I'm outlining here. So let's just follow these. You can see this was a bit of a uptrend pre-market, but then it came right back down and we started this downtrend with the SAR. Very minor uptrend, very powerful downtrend. Powerful uptrend here, and that's when we saw the candle breaking through the cloud, trying to break through the cloud, but came right back down. And currently we are in an uptrend on the parabolic SAR, so that's part of why I have bullish sentiments on UPL. A few other indicators I'd like to take a look at though, and that's the Kijun and Tenkan lines. Those are going to be the blue and orange lines on the chart. The Kijun being the blue, Tenkan being the orange. The Kijun is our blue bullish sign. And let me outline right here. You can see the Kijun begin to cross over the Tenkan. That's a very bullish indicator. And not only that, but the price per share, the candles are over both lines. You can see in our major downtrends, like over here, for example, the candles were below both the Kijun and the Tenkan lines. Now, the only problem is we were denied at the resistance point at 55 cents. So we do need to break that resistance at 55 cents. If we do that, I'm pretty confident we'll be able to push through the cloud, start getting our candles up here, and then our uptrend will be much more powerful. There's one other indicator I'd like to take a look at, and that's going to be the RSI, oversold points. Let's go to where the RSI went oversold here. Let me just switch my tool. There we go, draw a line right up. RSI also went over here, draw a line to that. Went oversold here. Next one. And a few more. Now, if we connect these lines, you can see that definitely confirms our downtrend. This confirms the uptrend that we had when this price per share began to increase. And right back down on this downtrend. Pretty powerful downtrend there. And that brought us back to the 47 cent area. So, in other words, when we get oversold again, as you see, we are approaching overbought. But if we get some bearish candles and we get oversold, and that area, the price per share, is greater than this area here, which was right about 47 cents. If it's greater than 47 cents when it goes oversold next, that's going to be a very bullish signal. The last thing I'd like to take a look at, and you can only see the dots, unfortunately, but that's the MACD. You can see this green line here. That means our MACD gave us a buying signal, and that's also bullish. So we have a lot of bullish indicators. However, they all occur under the cloud, and that's always going to be a weaker bullish sign than if they occurred over the cloud. So if this was all going on up here, I'd be very bullish on UPL, and I would be confident to say that we'd see a run. As for now, I'm bullish on my sentiments, but we could still get the night at the cloud. It could still go either way. I'm leaning towards bullish on UPL, but it really does need some good bids to break through the cloud and start a serious uptrend. That's the Active Investor bringing you UPL. I hope that helps you out. Let's make some money. Take care.